In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add date fields to a document in DocuSign following the simplest method and updated for 2025. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by logging into your DocuSign account. This is your central hub for managing electronic agreements and signatures. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself on the DocuSign dashboard where you can see various options and features to choose from. The next step is to click on the Agreements tab. This section contains all the documents you've been working on or need to process. It's essentially your workspace where everything related to your DocuSign projects is stored. This makes it easy to keep track of your documents without needing to dig through multiple files. After that, locate the specific file you want to edit. To do this, find the three vertical dots next to the file's name. These dots usually represent more options available for a document. Clicking here is key. It opens up a menu where you'll see different actions you can apply to the document. Now, from this menu, select Correct. This action is like going into edit mode for your document. It allows you to make necessary changes without starting over completely. Keep in mind that DocuSign is very user-friendly, and these options are designed to enhance your productivity, making the entire process smoother. With the document in correct mode, the next step is to click on Next. This will lead you to the section where you can alter or add fields to your document. Here, you have the flexibility to add elements like text, signatures, and dates, which bring us to our main task for today. Look for the Date Signed button. This is what you will click to add a date field to your document. The Date Signed feature automatically inputs the current date on which the document is signed, saving you the hassle of manually entering this information every time. Once you've selected Date Signed, the next action is a simple drag and drop. Drag the date field to the exact spot in your document where you want the date to appear. The beauty of DocuSign's interface is that it's very much like working with physical paper, only digital. This feature allows for precision in placing your fields, which guarantees a more professional look in your documentation. Finally, after you've positioned the date field to your satisfaction, you should click on Correct once more to confirm all the changes you've made. This locks in your modifications and updates the document for future signing and processing. And there you have it.